Welcome students. Today we shall discuss the second part of chapter 22. That means exercise 22A. Remaining sum number 10. Number 10. A room 7 meter long and 6.5 meter wide to have the floor covered with carpet, which is sold at a roll 50 centimeter wide. Find the total length of the carpet required. In this case, the unit is meter, and this is centimeter. We have to convert this unit to centimeter and this unit to centimeter, and next we have to calculate the area of the floor. Okay, let's see. Length is equal to 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 6.5 meter is equal to 650 centimeter. Therefore, area of floor is equal to 700 into 650 centimeter square. Now the length of the carpet. Now at first the breadth of the roll of carpet is equal to 50 centimeter. Therefore, length of the roll is equal to 700 into 650 divided by 500. 9100 centimeter. This centimeter 9100 converted to meter, that means 91 meter. This is the answer. Length of the roll is 91 meter. Next, number 11. A person walks at the rate 4 km per hour. How long will he take to go around a square park 5 times, whereas area is 25 meter? At first, we have to find out the side of the park from the area. Okay. If we square root of this area, then we can find the side of the park, square park, side of the square park. Let's see. Area of the square park is equal to 2500 meter square. Therefore, side will be equal to square root of 2500 means 50 meter. One side is 50 meter. If we square root 2500, then we will find the side of the park, that is 50 meter. Now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of the square park is equal to 4 into side, that means 4 into 50 meter, it will be 200 meter. Perimeter is 200. Now it will be covered 5 times. Therefore, 5 times of perimeter is equal to 5 into 200 meter, means 1000 meter. It will be covered. Okay, it will be covered. 1000 meter will be covered at the rate of speed 4 kilometer per hour. This is unit is kilometer, but our perimeter is in meter. We have to convert 4 kilometer into meter. Okay, therefore 4 kilometer per hour means 4000 meter per hour. Therefore total time taken will be equal to 1000 meter divided by 4000 into 60. We have to convert hour into minutes. Okay, then for this reason we have to multiply 60 for 15, therefore 15 minutes. Answer will be 15 minutes. Okay, next, number 11. Next, number 12. The perimeter of a rectangle is 72 centimeter. This is perimeter. Length is 3 times the width. Find the area of the rectangle. Let's see. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 72 centimeter. Okay, 72 centimeter, and length is equal to 3 times of the breadth or width. Now suppose width is equal to x centimeter, therefore length will be 3x centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, or width 2 into 3x plus x, 2 into 4x, that means 8x. Now according to question, eight x is equal to 72, therefore x is equal to 72 divided by 8, therefore 9 centimeter. So width is equal to 9 centimeter, length will be equal to 3 into 9, that means 27 centimeter. So area, we have to find out area. Area will be equal to 9 into 27. Square centimeter. 273 square centimeter. This will be the area of the rectangle. Now number 13. A farmer has a land which measures 250 meter by 160 meter length and width. If the land revenue to be paid 1500 rupees per hectare, we have to know number. Let's see number 13. At first we see that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. So at first we have to find out the area of the land. Length 250, width 160. So length is equal to 250 meter, width is equal to 160 meter. Therefore area will be equal to 250 into 160 meter square. Now this will be converted into hectare. So area is equal to 250 into 160 divided by 10,000. This means 4 hectare. Okay, total area converted into hectare. That means this meter square area is equal to 4 hectare. Now per hectare, cost per hectare or revenue per hectare paid is rupees 1500. So total revenue will be equal to 1500 into 4. This means 6000 rupees, 6000. This will be answer, total revenue. Next, number 14. A farm is 30 meter by eto meter length and width. Find the cost of manufacturing the farm at eto per quintal if 2 quintal of manure has to be applied per hectare. 2 quintal per hectare, 2 quintal, and manuring the farm 450 per quintal. If per 2 quintals manure has to be applied per hectare, 1 hectare 2 quintal. Therefore we have to find out the area of the farm, 380 and 100 meter. Let's see number 14. Length is equal to 380 meter, width is equal to 100 meter. Therefore area is equal to 380 into 100 meter square. This will be converted into hectare. Simply this will be divided by 10,000. Therefore area is equal to 380 into 100 divided by 10,000. 1 2 3 1 2 3. This will be 3.8 hectare. Total area 3.8 hectare. Per hectare 2 quintals. Okay, 2 quintals of manuring has to be applied per hectare. So 2 quintal per hectare. Therefore 1 hectare manure is equal to 2 quintals, and 3.8 hectare manure will be 3.8 into 2, 7.3 quintal, 7.6 quintal. Per quintal manuring 450. So is equal to 7.6 into 450. This will be some 76 and 45. This means 3430. This will be total manual use. This will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer, rupees 3.30. Next, number 15. The length of a rectangular field is twice the breadth and its area is 2 hectares. Find the cost of fencing the field 50 per meter. Okay, cost of fencing 50 per meter. We have the length of the rectangular field is twice its breadth and the area is 2 hectare. Area is 2 hectare means 2 into 10,000. Therefore, let's see number 15. Length is equal to twice its width or breadth. Suppose width is equal to x meter, then length will be equal to 2x meter. Area will be 2x into x. This means 2x square meter square. This will be area, and this will be equal to 2 hectare. 2 hectare means 2 into 10,000 meter square means 20,000 meter square, and this will be equal according to question. According to question, 2x square will be equal to 20,000. Therefore, x square will be equal to 20,000 divided by 2. This means 10,000. So, and x will be equal to square root of 10,000 is equal to 100 square. X square, x is equal to 100. Sorry, x is equal to 100 meter. So, width is equal to 100 meter. Then length will be 2 into 100. This means 200 meter. We have to find out the fencing. Fencing means perimeter. So, perimeter will be 2 into L plus B. This means 2 into 200 plus 100. 2 into 300. This means 600 meter. Meter, meter, meter and meter. 600 meter. Total cost 50 per meter rupees. Then total cost will be 600 into rupees 50. This means rupees 3,000. This will be the answer. Total cost. Then total of 5 into 6, 30,000. Total cost is 30,000. That is the answer.